Alright, here we have the brand new Magic product. We're playing the Magic Lottery here, hoping to get an expedition out of these packs, which they're pretty valuable, and seems like everybody's going after those. So here we go. Alright. We got this. Let's see. Booklet. All sorts of stuff in here. Booklets and rules and things. I don't know if anyone's familiar with this. It's a complete outsider's perspective. Look at that piece of cardboard. That's unique. It's nice design. How about that? How about that? So we're gonna just go through. All this stuff is predetermined. We're just looking to see what's in the packs. See what we get there. It's our first look at the Gatewatch. And this one in there. Just taking a look and seeing what's in there. Not really. No one's really interested in that. Just interested in seeing what's also in the we got wastes. Not the full art version, but the regular basic version. It's all predetermined stuff, yeah. Alright, so beyond that, here's the exciting part. We'll get our first look at some new stuff. Alright, so you get to pick out which one you want. You want the female, and I'll take the male. Which it's Jason Nissa. Correct? Okay. So go ahead. Do you want to open first, or you can open first? So we like opening stuff. It's always fun to check it out, see what you got. And they all have resale value.
Commons?
Well, yeah, I mean, yeah, we're only doing 2 packs.
F Protector, Mighty Leap, Consuming Sinkhole, Natural State, Witness the End.
Witness the End.
Joie Isle Avenger, Warden of Geometries, Spawn Binder Mage, Vampire Envoy, Reality Hemorrhage, Strider Harness, uncommons now, Casual's Toil Collector, Mind Melter, Oath of Gideon.
Oath of Gideon.
And Full Art Land. Let's go Battle for Zendikar.
Yeah, well, they will. Interesting. Okay. I have no idea if that's decent right now. I haven't really checked. I mean, we only really know it, like everybody knows, expeditions are valuable, and there's a slight chance we can get one. You can pull them out of any of the booster packs. So let's see what else we got here. Slip Through Space. Some of the art's pretty cool on these cards. Consuming Sinkhole. Searing Light. Vines of the Recluse. Unnatural Endurance. Gravity Negator. Bonesaw. Scion Summoner. Spawnbinder Mage. Cinder Helion. The Uncommon Strider Harness. Gazul's Toll Collector. He's a scary looking fella. Nissa's Judgment. And Corrupted Crosslands. Crossroads. And Plains and a Token Knight ally. Alright, so that was our first look at some Ode to the Gatewatch. Was mine worth anything?
Oh yeah, the same as, so they're like worth $2 right now.
Worth $2 a piece, and the packs are like $3.99 a piece. So, all right. Well, that was fun. Thank you for watching, and yeah, that's it. Have a good one.